Hi, welcome back. Hope you liked our last episode where we have given a introduction regarding the body shop. So today's episode is a special equipment that's crash repair system, CRS or crash repair system. So this is a very different kind of automated systems where most of the places are not equipped with such a system because of its high cost. And Pratham Motors can say we are proud of that because we do have that system in our dealership. They add that chain and they used to pull the car. But here in this crash repair system, the car is placed above that, and with the help of pneumatic things, they will pull that apron or other stuff inside the parts that will be pulled out. So the life of the car will increase in that. For any inquiries or any feedbacks, you can reach out to us. We are there with you. Thank you.